Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube. Welcome back. I've got my scissors, which only means one thing. We are opening up a mystery box. If you like mystery boxes or reseller boxes, you're in the right spot because I buy tons of them from Jomar and Thredup and Poshmark and other places. And it's a great way to get inventory shipped right to my door in pretty big quantities. We're gonna do a quick unboxing today. This box is not huge. It's from Jomar Wholesale. You guys know I love Jomar. I am an affiliate, so I do earn credit with them when people use my discount code, which is The Grateful Queen, all one word. If you put that in when you're shopping, you get a discount. I always shop on Jomar with a discount. So should you. This is a staff box. Now I have done really well with the staff pick boxes from Jomar. Check out their site, see if it'd be right for you. But I just figured they're there, the staff, with all the inventory in the warehouse. Maybe they are gonna put some good stuff in your box. So this is Rachel's Casual Contemporary, Everlane, and Other Stories. Are you guys familiar with that brand, And Other Stories? Let me know in the comments. If there's a piece in here, I'll show you the label. I've only found it a few times and it's sold really well when I have. And Other Stories is part of the H&M group, but it's not fast fashion. It's a little bit higher end. The price point's usually around 75 bucks new. I don't know a ton about this brand other than I've sold it a couple times before and it's done well. And let me see, do they have an about page? Let's take a peek around this brand. You can just tell from looking at the pictures a little bit about, here we go, about us. Let's learn about And Other Stories. We're a one-stop styling destination bringing you modern and feminine wardrobe treasures designed in Paris, Stockholm, and Los Angeles. Founded in 2010 by a small group of creatives, And Other Stories grew from the aspiration to offer women freedom of expression through one brand. Okay, and you'll see these are the different brands. The tag will say And Other Stories, and then it'll say Stockholm, Atelier, Paris, or Los Angeles. And let's just take a quick look at clothing to see kind of what it would retail for. Let's look at shirts and blouses. So it looks like we're looking at this button-down blouse, $119. This one's $69. This $89 embroidered one. So a pretty good price point. Really, to me, it looks sort of romantic, some of it, though, with all the ruffles and lace. Really beautiful stuff. But we're looking at $60 to $90, $120 for one of these tops. Wow, so that's amazing. So let's go over to eBay and now search. And you could search on Poshmark, too. But I'm just doing eBay because it seems kind of easy right now. But if I put if I put And Other Stories, women top, I'm searching for sold and pre-owned. Looks like this one sold for $16, but $31 shipping. Looks like, because that's from the United Kingdom. Interesting. Look at all these solds are from the United Kingdom. So interesting. Here's one. $35 with $4.80 shipping. A best offer was received, so we can assume maybe it sold for like $30 or something. A real range. Now, you can't really trust these comps because it says $16, but the shipping is $31, so people are getting this from the UK. Let me see if I can go back to my search and change it so that we're looking at things located in the United States. $20 plus 5 shipping on an auction, $22 plus 6 shipping, $15, $20, $30, $25. So a pre-owned top by this brand, you're probably going to get between $20 and $35, it looks like. Pretty good for a pre-owned little top, I think. And so this is only 10 items, so hopefully we'll be quick unless that's right. The cost on this box is usually $105, but use a discount. I always do. And it had a flat rate of shipping for 15 bucks. Now they're in Philly, Jomar, and I'm all the way in Northern California, so shipping can usually be like 40, 45 bucks for me on a decent sized box. So I love when they have free shipping days or when they have flat rate shipping. 15 bucks sounds good to me. This is what it looks like. One piece of tissue paper on the top, a little note, and something white so we don't Usually you look in and you see like all the patterns and colors and stuff. So there we go. It looks like some neutrals. So let's get into it. This first piece is by the brand Everlane. I absolutely love selling Everlane. Memorize this tag, my friends. I just love Everlane. They use really good fabrics. This is a size 2. Now they do, what is it, vanity sizing or something. So this looks like a medium or large, like an oversized button-down shirt. Now, is this men's or women's? I will have to do a little research. I know you have to look at the buttons to see what side they button on. So men's shirts button one way and women's button the other. And you would think after 10 years of reselling on eBay that I would know, but I just check it every single time. Super cute on that. I've been selling on Poshmark for, I guess, a little over 3 years now. I sell digital products on Etsy. I sell to Thredup. So if you want to learn more about any of that, I have videos about it on the channel, and you can find in the description section all my links, my discount links, my stores, and everything. This is an Everlane size extra small women's turtleneck. They just make like amazing staple pieces. Like the lines are really clean on them. The fabrics are really good. I am on the Everlane website, and I'm just under Everlane women's tops. And you can see they retail for about $65 each. Sometimes they're on sale. It looks like they're having a site-wide 20% off sale. But for a basic shirt, we're looking at like $60. Let's take a look at pants, and you can see that it's kind of like nice, clean lines, simple pieces. And again, pants look like they're about $68. These ones are $98. So it gives us a sense of what they retail for. Let's go to their About page, just learn a little bit more about the brand. At Everlane, we want the right choice to be as easy as putting on a great t-shirt. That's why we partner with the best ethical factories around the world. We source only the finest materials and share those stories with you, down to the true cost of every product we make. It's a new way of doing things. We call it radical transparency. So they're like an eco-conscious, ethical brand. So they're not big on trends. We want you to wear our pieces for years, using the finest materials. So that gives us a little sense. And then if I go over here to eBay, I have this filtered by sold listings that are pre-owned just under women's tops. And you can see there's a real range in comps, and comps can be useful, but they're not the end all be all. So looks like just a basic t-shirt, $12 with $5 shipping. Another one for $16 for a basic t-shirt. I think that's pretty good for a women's size medium basic t-shirt, because the buyer's paying 20-something bucks with tax for a pre-owned t-shirt. Here is a silk blouse by Everlane for $35. A button-down blouse, looks like a best offer, but $34 with $9.10 shipping. Why are they charging so much for shipping? I don't know. But it gives you a sense here. Then there's some super low balls, like with some bids, which I don't do. I do fixed price. And I can go over here to my advanced search. Let's take a look. Instead of top, let's just put pants. Is that what I wrote? Pants. And see. Excuse my no makeup, first thing in the morning ponytail appearance. But a pair of pants by Everlane, look like those sold for $24.99 with $9.65 shipping, but that was a best offer. These pair of Everlane high-waisted pants, 00, $29.98 plus $8.45 shipping, so $40. Looks like these ones sold for $50, but they're plus size. But look at this, around $30 plus around $8 shipping for pre-owned pants. That's awesome. These ones sold for $60. So I think it'd be safe to know you're going to get $30 to $35 for some Everlane pants, maybe more if you price high. Looks like maybe $50 or $60. There's always a range in comps like this. You have to consider condition, you have to consider size, but I tend to price high and leave room to accept best offers. Do you guys find Everlane? It's not a brand that I find very often when I'm out. When I find it at the thrift stores, I'm like, woohoo! But I don't find it often. Everlane size large. Ooh, I kind of want to keep this. just a boxy white t-shirt. There aren't many brands where you're gonna make a whole lot of money reselling a t-shirt, but some of the higher end brands like Everlane, you can still probably get like 15 or 20 bucks for a t-shirt. This looks like a sweater from Everlane, size medium. Oh, nice. Why did I do this video sitting down? Because I keep standing up to show you everything. I don't know what I was thinking. A black kind of fuzzy, nubby, scoop neck sweater. Let me just see what the material is on this. We've got wool, nylon, lane. Oh no, it's, I read it wrong. Wool and nylon, 65% wool, so that's great. Some of these things I'm gonna consider sending to Thredup because there are just certain brands that Thredup prices so high that I make a really good payout without doing much of the work. This is your friendly reminder, friends, to please subscribe to the channel. I put a lot of thrift hauls, unboxings, reseller content, and I'd love to have you. So please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when new videos come out or when I go live. Thank you. If you sell to Thredup, they've got this payout estimator, so you can look and see approximately what they're selling your items for and what the payout is. Certain brands like Madewell, Eileen Fisher, maybe Everlane, I don't know, I'll look it up. I make just as much money having Thredup sell it for me without doing any of the work. So Everlane's probably one of those brands. Okay, so this is And Other Stories. So I want to show you guys these tags. And it says Los Angeles Atelier. I think that's how you say it. I'm so glad I got one of these pieces because I just don't find it that much and they've sold really well for me. So the brand is And Other yeah. The brand is And Other Stories. But Los Angeles Atelier, they do like collabs. It's like it's by different places. Like they have a Paris one. So it's like whoever the style is designed off of. This is so cute. A really cute like sweater vest. Love it. This is a nice print, black with some foliage. Is that the right word, Quemby? Foliage or what is this? It's huge. Ooh, so here we go. I have the opportunity to show you the other tag that I was just talking about. So this is Paris Atelier. I don't know if I'm saying that right, you guys. Someone's going to correct me. Oh well, I do my best. So it's like they're different cities. What is this? It's so good. It's a dress, I think, or a hugely oversized tunic dress, black with a great print. It's huge. It's a size 4, so it must just be oversized. Wow, that is really neat. That'll probably pay for a good part of this box. Whoa, this feels, I was not expecting how this feels. Another And Other Stories from Paris, the Paris line, size 0. It's a wrap top. Now, just a tip, wrap dresses and wrap tops have always sold well for me. If it's a true wrap like this, where there's a little slit here and it really wraps around, as opposed to a faux wrap that's sewed shut, there are many dresses that I'd call faux wrap. They look like a wrap, but they don't have the whole tie. Sometimes, regardless of brand, if it's a wrap dress, I'll pick it up because they're very flattering, like the famous DVF wrap dress. This feels incredible. It's ribbed, which has been so hot in 2021. It's a ribbed ivory wrap top. That is nice. I don't know what they do to these to make them feel so good, but they do feel good. Now, is any of this in my size? No, maybe that's super oversized dress. These are 00 size Everlane. Everlane size 00, but look how cute. Super high-waisted pants, but look at how wide the leg is. Another popular style, this wide leg crop in jeans and pants, is super hot right now. I'm filming this in January 2022. These are gonna photograph and just look so well. I'm really excited about these. You did me well, Rachel. This is a really good box. My favorite box of all time, and I've got several videos unboxing it, is Shannon's box. It doesn't come up very often, but look on my channel for a few of those videos. It's like, that box is incredible too. I'm very happy with this box. Everlane size 24 regular. Look at these. They're so tiny. Black, super high rise. Look at the rise from here to here. That's got to be like a 10, 12. Skinny, black, muted Everlane jeans. Really nice. Okay, what do you guys think of this box? I am absolutely loving it. I wish they were larges though. Everlane for me, size medium. Oh, this is so cute. It's a tiered maxi cotton dress. It's so good. This box is so good, you guys. I don't know if you can see that. It's like a, oh, is that deodorant? Oh, it's, you can see there's deodorant there. No prob, I will spray it out and wash it. It's like a tiered maxi. It's probably midi length actually. Oh, it's so cute. It's kind of like a baby doll hemline all tiered. That is really nice. I love that. I might try it on. We'll see if I can squeeze myself into it. Another really great Jomar box, you know. If you have questions, let me know because I've been shopping with them for over a year at least, and I've got like every box. And you know, if you're a little more risk averse, like mystery boxes are hard for you, maybe consider a new tag box or a branded box and buy a brand that you know. Like if Levi's sells great for you, look for that box. I've got the Victoria's Secret box a couple times, for example. I've made money on that. So I don't know. Thanks for staying with me while I shared this box, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye. They have really kind of, oh, it was blurry there. You get it? Care label. Let me just see. I'll have to edit this part out because it's just me. It's boring. Nobody wants to sit here while I check the fabric, but elastic and viscose. It feels awesome. How about that? I just want to get in this box so badly. Let me get this messy box, loud, messy box opened up, and then I can't talk and open the box at the same time, clearly. So what are you gonna do? So I'll do a little research. I'll get some water first though. Let's get it started. I got my, okay. Pretty good, that was a good box. I wanted it to go on and on, but there's some good things in that box. That was really, really, really good.